Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a backup on a Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright, so let's begin. So we need to go straight into the settings and we can simply type backup in here. So let's type backup and now we have the account and backup option. So let's get into it. And in here we can pick between the Samsung Cloud, Google Drive or the Smart Switch. So I'm gonna show you all of these options. So first option is by using the Samsung Cloud. So simply click on backup data. In here you can select which of those apps you want to create backup on. I'll just pick all of them and now you need to simply click on backup now. It's gonna take a few seconds, so you need to be patient until the whole process is finished. Okay, so once it's done, you only need to simply click on this button done. And now all of the data is stored on your Samsung Cloud. Okay, second option is by using the Google Drive, also backup data option. In here you have your Google account, and on this account the Google backup will be made, so you can't forget it. When you will be setting up your phone, you need to use this account, otherwise you won't be able to restore it, so remember about that. And if you want to click backup, just simply click. Now you need to wait until this bar vanish, this one right here, so you need to wait until it goes to the end. But I'm not gonna wait that long, so I'm just telling you that. And the last option is by using the Smart Switch. I'm gonna show you the external storage transfer, so just simply click on it. And now you need to plug into your phone an external storage. I have this USB-C with an SD card, so that's what I'm gonna plug in. Okay, and now it should appear in this window. Okay, now we have it. Backup to USB storage. Now the process is gonna start, so we need to wait. And in here you can pick what you want to backup. You can pick everything, just calls, contacts and messages, or you can select a custom. I'll just leave the calls, contacts and messages. Now we need to click on next. In here click OK. And now the process has been started. So let's wait until it goes to the end. Okay, as you can see, backup results. We have 16 items. Now simply click on next, click on done, and that's all. So that's the options how you can create a backup. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.